Breaking news coming in at the moment regarding this is national capital where Haryana will now be providing water to Delhi. Breaking news coming in as far as the water crisis is concerned. A big win for the residents of Delhi. The Supreme Court has spoken to Himachal Pradesh as well in order to release extra water. The top court has ticked off the Haryana government. This is amid the water shortage in the national capital. The Delhi government, do remember, last week had approached the Supreme Court to get immediate additional water from neighbouring areas, and the Delhi government in its plea said that it's constrained to file that petition on account of the acute shortage due to the heat wave conditions that are prevailing. And do remember, it was the Supreme Court on Monday taking cognizance of the situation and asked the Upper Yamuna River Board to convene an urgent meeting that was to be held, in fact, yesterday in order for all the stakeholders of the states to resolve the water crisis faced by the residents of Delhi. Now, after the Supreme Court asked the Upper Yamuna River Board to convene that emergency meeting, all the state holders, these are the stakeholder states and the central government, they're sitting together to find that solution. And now what we're hearing is that the Supreme Court has asked Haryana to ensure that the water reaches the national capital. It is, of course, also Himachal Pradesh who has, it is Himachal Pradesh that has also been asked to, in fact, pitch in order to release extra water. So it was Delhi's Aam Aadmi Party, it was Atishi who had brought up the issue regarding water not being released from adjoining states, complaining about the water crisis that was being faced by the residents here in the national capital. So much needed relief and respite coming in for the residents of the national capital. This is after grappling with the extreme water shortage on account of the temperature that was hovering almost pushing the 50-degree mark in certain areas of the national capital, that the Delhi government finally decided to turn to the Supreme Court to intervene in order to resolve that water crisis, and it sought directives as far as the state of Haryana is concerned to release additional water in order to get rid of the water crisis and to provide relief as far as the people here in the national capital are concerned. So demands being made. Also, this is Delhi, which is usually dependent on its neighbouring states. So now Himachal Pradesh has also been asked to provide additional water. Delhi has also asked for Uttarakhand, Punjab and Uttar Pradesh to meet the needs as far as the residents are concerned. And of course, the Aam Aadmi Party, they're taking cognizance of the situation, moving the Supreme Court in order to fix that problem. Do remember that there is also a fine of 2,000 rupees that has now been issued by the government of Delhi. This is the Aam Aadmi Party that has set up 200 of these Jal board members, who are these teams that are looking into any sort of water, wastage, whether it's for cleaning cars or others that would in fact fetch a fine of 2,000 rupees in the national capital in order to curb the water crisis at hand. Do remember, it was the Aam Aadmi Party who had brought up this issue, saying that they would in fact tackle the problem. They had started even this issuing challans of 2,000 rupees for anyone seen wasting water, whether it was cleaning cars. Also potable water at construction sites was not allowed. So these are the directives that have been issued by the Aam Aadmi Party, but a huge win for the Aam Aadmi Party because they have managed to move the Supreme Court, and that finally has resulted in Haryana being asked to give water to the national capital. The Supreme Court has also asked Himachal Pradesh to provide extra release as far as the water crisis in the national capital is concerned. So it is the national capital that depends largely on its neighbouring areas in order to tackle the water shortage, and this is a big, huge relief coming about. Delhi largely depends whether it's Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, as always, also depending on Uttar Pradesh to meet its demand as far as the water crisis is concerned.